Hello and very warm welcome. My name is Zebunisha. Today I am going to explain you about the collective nouns. Collective nouns are the categorized names given to animals, birds, people, things, places and food groupings. In this session we will be discussing about the animal kingdom with their various collective names. Let's get started. Once upon a time there was a small group of islands in the middle of the large sea. A range of mountains escorted the island from its enemies. There was a forest where cool breeze flowed all the time. There lived numerous families of animals and birds. All lived in perfect peace and harmony. At the wild ends, a pride of lions, a troop of monkeys, a troop of kangaroos, a tower of giraffes, a leap of leopards, a parliament of owls, a walk of snails, and an ambush of tigers. At the domestic ends there were the caravans of camels, herd of cattle, herd of donkeys, herd of elephants, and a colony of rabbits. Up in the sky there were the flock of birds, flight of butterflies, a colony of penguins, a gaggle of geese, a flock of ducks, and a brood of chickens. There lived the insects too. Now, insects are six-legged animals and they have two pair of wings. So there was an army of ants, a swarm of bees, a cluster of spiders, a bunch of worms, a colony of termites. Near the ocean, reptiles and amphibians were staying. Reptiles are the cold-blooded animals. Their skin is covered with scales and their young ones come out from eggs. So there was a congregation of alligators, a float or basque of crocodiles, a colony or army of frogs, a lounge of lizards, a roomba of rattlesnakes, a nest of toads and turtles, and a den of snakes. Deep in the ocean there was a school or shoal of fish. When fish were caught up by fishermen, there was a draught of fish. There was a bed of eels and shiver of sharks. There were some single-celled animals also, like a culture of bacteria. Once the king of jungle, the lion, called up a meeting with its counselors. The board of directors included the leopard, the vulture, and the fox. They were the panel of experts. All decided to organize a musical evening. So the singing birds like nightingale, cuckoo, sparrow, robin, and canary were selected for the concert. Next evening, all the participants came up with their choir of singers and a band of musicians. An audience of listeners took their seats at their respective places. It was a very melodious evening. All the singers were presented with a bouquet of flowers and were gifted with string of pearls. The audience gave them a huge round of applause. The concert brought a lot of pleasure and enjoyment to the forest. With this, we come to an end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.